picture of our y sound. Y, when we make the sound, we have to push our tongue up to our top teeth and push out a little air to say y, y, y. When we make the y sound for Jolly Phonics, we pretend we're eating yogurt. Y, y, y. We have some pictures that say the y sound. We have yogurt, y, yogurt. We have yo-yo, y, yo-yo. And we have yarn, y, yarn. That's how we make the y sound. How you make the y sound. Start at the midline, the dotted line. Make a diagonal line right. Then we make a diagonal line left, ending below the bottom line. This is how we make the y sound.